This root has been growing for years. This is actually a tiny fig root that has been planted on a big tree. When it comes in contact with the soil, it will absorb nutrients crazily and continue to grow. As more and more fig roots grow, and become more and more coarse, a massacre against the host begins. These roots will use the strength of milk to wrap around the host and even drag it into the host's body to block its nutrients. The strong force of this wrapping can even split the rock into two halves. The leaves of figs that have grown up also began to compete with the host. In the end, it was completely blocked. But the host will not die immediately. Its killing takes several years to complete. When the host gradually withers, its rotten trunk becomes nutrients and continues to be absorbed by the fig tree. In the end, the fig tree swallows it and replaces it. And relying on its strong roots, it grows into a huge tree. Although this kind of killing is very cruel, it is very beneficial to the ecosystem. A giant fig tree can feed hundreds of animals. Whether its leaves or its fruit, it can even provide a habitat for many animals. When animals enjoy the benefits of fig trees, they will indirectly help it spread seeds. In order to survive and flourish in the natural world, plants often come up with all kinds of ways, some of which do not lack extreme means. In Australia, there is a vast forest of fig trees. In order to fight the sun, these fig trees rise from the ground. Its growth height can reach 100 meters. In the shade of their trees, it is difficult for them to get enough sunlight. But they quickly take up space and make it difficult for fig seeds to survive. Besides, fig trees have other enemies, calla. Although the fig tree has evolved a toxin, but the calla's digestive system can break down the toxin in it. Their defense mechanism is completely ineffective against calla. However, they also have a more aggressive strategy. The fig tree contains highly volatile oil-based substances. The ignition point of these substances is about 50 degrees. When they gather in large quantities, only one spark can ignite them. The blazing fire begins to devour a lot of life. But the fig tree has thick bark. Although the bark is burned, it cannot hurt the tree's heart. When the fire is extinguished, the competitor is destroyed. The fig tree grows rapidly. Its seeds are easier to germinate after the fire is extinguished. They quickly take up space and grow their own seeds. The fire is the most aggressive means for the fig tree to survive. Although it is cruel, it is also very effective.